So I have two multiplications here. With the handout number 3, you're going to see two types of multiplication. And I am looking at 4 different numbers. This is 2631. That is 352. This is 26.31. That is 3.52. So there are 4 different numbers here. And this is one type of multiplication you will see from the front page. From the back page, you will see decimal multiplications. So let me show you how to do the multiplication for this one. And then this is very similar to that. First, you're going to start with the last number here. Number 2. Let's do the multiplication. But before we start the multiplication, I need to tell you this. There are 1, 2, 3 numbers here, which means you're going to have 3 lines that you need to add. If we had 4th number, let's say 9, yes, that would make the 4th line here as well. So let me show you how to do this. I'm going to start with 2 first. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. Now watch this out. 2 times 6 is 12. So you can't write down the bold digit right here. We have to separate it. How? Can you open the door? The 2 will be right here. The 1 will be up there. 2 times 2 is 4. Now do not forget adding the 1, which makes it the total of 5. Now I am done with 2. Let's go multiplication by 5. 5 times 1. Don't tell me that. I don't want to know what is 5 times 1. Why? Because you just started with the second digit, which means there is one digit in front of another. You need to add 1 0 right here first. That's number 1. Number 2, start with multiplication. 5 times 1, yes, it's 5. 5 times 3 is 15. So I'm going to write down the 15 here. But we do know that we are not allowed to keep the 1 here. So let me carry. I can't carry. Let me carry the 1 over here. And let me continue. 5 times 6 is 30. Don't forget to add the 1, which makes it 31. 31, the 1 goes down here. The 3 goes up there. The last one, 5 times 2 is 10. 3 more makes it 13. I'm almost done. Now let's do the multiplication for 3. 3 times 1? 3 times 1?
3.
Don't tell me 3. Zeros. I don't want to know what is 3 times 1 right now. I want to know there are 2 digits in front of the 3. Therefore, you're going to add 2 zeros here. Now you tell me what is 3 times 1, which is 3. And then 3 times 3 is 9. Let's write it down here. 3 times 6 is 18. And don't write them together. The 8 goes down here. The 1 goes up here. And the last 3 times 2 is 6. 1 more makes it 7. Almost finished with the multiplication. 2, nothing gives me 2. 6, 5 more is 11. 2 digits again, 11. The 1 goes there, the 1 goes up here. So 1, 2 more is 3, 5 more is 8, and 3 more is 11. 1 more 11, and the 1 goes here, 1 goes up here. So this time 1 plus 5 is 6, 7, 9 more, 16. The 6 goes down here, 16, the 1 goes up here. 1, 3 more is 4, 8 more is this time 12. 2 goes down, 1 goes up. 1 plus 1 is 2, 7 more is 9. I am done with this multiplication. Now this is where I need you to pay attention. A different color. Let's use this. On the right you have a decimal number, but look at the numbers. They are different numbers but have the same digits. 2, 2, 6, 6, 3, 3, 1, 1. You need to multiply 2 with 1. Of course you're going to get the same. So what I am doing is that with the decimal numbers you need to think like there is no decimal number. This is just a regular multiplication, just like this one. Same. Which means for the multiplication of that, I'm just going to copy these numbers. So if I multiply with 2, I'm going to have absolutely the same here. 5, 2, 6, 2. So now I'm going to multiply with 5. Before I start multiplying with 5, yes, I need to add 0. But if I just copy this number, I will be fine. So 5, 5 over here. And 1, 3, 1 is there. And now I'm going to start multiplying by 3. Yes, I will be getting absolutely the same number. So I'm just going to copy that. Zeros. And then 9, 3. And 7, 8. And yes, I have to add this as well. So when I add, these are the same numbers we are talking about. I'm going to get this. I'm just going to copy 1, 1, 2, and 9, 2, 6. But am I going to get the same results? The only difference, just one simple difference between regular multiplication and decimal multiplication is this. How many decimal numbers do I have here? I have 1, I have 2, I have 3, I have 4. There are 4 decimal numbers here. That's why, where is your answer? You go start from all the way and 1, 2, 3, 4. Your decimal goes here. In other words, 2,631 times 352 is 926,112, and 26.31 times 3.92 is 92.6112. So you're going to have absolutely the same 2 type of questions. You practice like that, you will be just fine.